Myself Suresh here. I'm doing my SAP FICO course. I need software installation for this. Then I searched for so many ways, but I have found Lakshmi Computers. There I asked, and they guide me SDLC. One of the person name is called as Santosh. He helped me a lot for the installation. I have whatever the queries, he resolve it, and he assures that whenever the installation or some issues will be occurred, he will be helpful for any time. Thank you for your support. He is also giving the lifetime support for which he installed. Go and visit SDLC Training and Lakshmi Institute. If you want any installation, anything, happy to go on SDLC training for installation. Okay, happy to help you for Lakshmi Computers for installation, anything.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.